Okay, so there's something about me that some of you guys may not know, which is I am very nostalgic at times. Every now and then, a wave of nostalgia might hit me. Well, this time, wave of nostalgia hit me, and I decided to get this. It's a music player, right? Well, it is a CD player, which is why I also got this. Yes, Smallville CD. Yes, in 2026, I got a CD player and a Smallville CD. I used to watch Smallville actually. It's and this was a CD I remember I bought when it was new. In fact, I'll open the case just to show you guys the CD. And for those of you guys don't, you know much about CDs, that's how it is. We had the cover art and then like the booklet, this is like the either booklet slash list of booklet slash cover art. This is the CD, Smallville Talent Mix. And then on the back, what we had is a list of songs. Yes, these were all the tracks that were on it. Yeah. So each song in their order and whatnot. And yeah, let's actually open this together, shall we? Okay, here we are. Music player unboxing in 2026. Okay, this isn't going to be the best unboxing. It's kind of a makeshift unboxing, if you will. Let's get this out of the way. This is what it looks like. Let's see if we have anything else in the box. Um, okay, we have this, and this is a brick to charge it. Okay, because the thing about this is that it is rechargeable. Yes, it's rechargeable. This is a quick setup guide. It says, please remove the protective paper from the CD player before turning it on. Okay, well, we know how a CD player works, but thank you. Thank you for that. Okay, now what's cool about this CD player is this CD player actually stands up, unlike the one. So let me get this open and hit the CD player. This is the CD part. We're going to remove this as they suggested. And I can't actually play it for you guys because it would be big copyright issues. But this is the Smallville CD that we got. We are going to open the CD as I mentioned in the beginning about how CDs work. We're going to then proceed to put the CD in the CD player. Yes. And then we close it. There we go. Smallville Talent Mix. Okay, and it looks like this is an on-off button. Let's see if it has some power. Okay, it does have some power. It's on CD mode. It's reading the disc right now. That's pretty wild, in my opinion. Yeah. Okay, this alone brings back so many memories. Okay, it actually did autoplay, so I had to pause it, but not before listening to it for a little bit. And it is very, it's very good actually. I enjoy it, not just as a nostalgia thing, but okay, I'll explain. So I had the teacher in high school, right? And the teacher always would get talking to me about how he hated MP3 files because he was like, oh, the super condensed wave is better, whatnot. Let me know your guys' thoughts. But yeah, suffice to say, my teacher, high school teacher, would have actually been very happy about a product like this because of the fact that you can play CDs. Not only CD, technically you can play MP3s as well, as far as I understand, because there is a spot there for USB. There's a USB A. There's technically a spot there for USB Type C, but I think that's just for charging, if I'm being honest. But there are headphones a headphone jack in 2026. Yes, this is what a headphone jack looks like. Okay, but yeah, seriously, I think it's pretty cool, honestly. And I'm not going to lie, this it's going to age me quite a bit, but I just holding this actually brings me back, okay, to when I was younger because CDs were a regular thing. We went to stores to buy CDs and stuff, much like this CD. And yeah, I I just made this video because I wanted to show you guys something that I enjoy, and we got to unbox it together and set it up as it were, but it's really just very intuitive. The buttons on the top are volume up, volume down, next track, previous track, pause, skip forward, and reverse skip. Okay, because of the fact that back in the day during the CD era, you couldn't just go to whatever song you wanted per se. You had to actually go next, 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 next. But yeah, I digress. I'm going to end it off here. I'll catch you guys in the future. Later.